got a chance to work on how they prepare their pieces for the show, for the actors performing. And it's so interesting that here I am creating my own custom hair pieces for my own show, Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. It's just it's so wild how, you know, you start with one craft, right, and then you study for it, you get licensed, and then all of a sudden your life, your career starts changing. You never know when you study for something what that leads you into. You just don't know. So I'm always open as an artist. You gotta be open as an artist. You know, you gotta be always creating. That's my job. I always create. And you never know who you create for. Right now I'm creating a custom hair piece